G'day everyone, Jeremy from TacMed. We're down in Sydney for our instructor weekend doing a PT session run by Maddie Pepper. Well, there we go, it's our first PT session as a team. Oh, I'm absolutely smashed. By far the unfittest in the team. Benno, how was that?
Excellent, mate. Great way to wake up.
After the morning of getting absolutely smashed by our national training manager, Maddie Pepper, in the morning's PT session at Maroubra, the team moved to La Perouse, where we hung out at the Lifesaver Rescue helicopter base. And we spent the day there just conducting some clinical development for the team, going through some case studies, going through lessons learned, talking about latest updates in tech, TCCC, and our new TacMed Smart Aid system. Pep, Katie both gave lessons on CBRN and nursing in the emergency department and prolonged field care, and it was a really good day. The whole team getting on board, discussing all clinical aspects, and thanks Westpac Rescue for having us once again at your awesome facility.
It's 6 a.m. after the official TacMed function last night. We're on our way to Swiftwater Rescue. You're gonna drown.
Sunday morning, and we're off to do Whitewater Rescue, Swiftwater Rescue training with the team. Pep, first rescue. How was that getting rescued? Going past the rapid, getting rescued.
Oh, I nearly hit
that
the
claret?
floor.
Oh, we got first injury. Sacrifice. That's good effort there. Grelly, how's that?
Yeah, it's good. Good fun. Yeah, very good.
That's harder work than I thought trying to sit across that.
Yeah, I reckon the harder you try, you don't actually get too much more out of it. You've got to relax. Go with it, I reckon.
Definitely.
Yeah.
What about the pro?
Mate,
So Swiftwater Rescue crewman?
it's good. It's good. Pretty hard work.
Was that just a warm up for you?
Oh no, I'm gassed.
Oh.
Follow him, follow him, follow him, follow him, follow him.
Oh shit.
Paddy, drop. Drop by your teammate. How's
Thanks to get to the gym, I think. Run!
Benno, just wrapping up a good day, eh?
It's been great.
Last lap to swallow some water.
That's it.
I think I can add a couple more mils of water into my right eardrum. It's been a good day, hasn't it?
It's been a great day. We're going to have water dripping out for the next couple of days, I think. But
so. How many laps do you think you've done of this pool in your...
I don't know, probably maybe 30 or something.
30, that's it? Oh, mate,
not that many, but it doesn't get easier.
No, I think there's a few people, few apprehensive people.
Oh yeah, myself included.
It's always happens on the last too, where you swallow that last bit. We just had lunch, so I'm hoping we're not going to purge
yeah.
this.
There's going to be lots of avocado floating around.